Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to show how to create a color extractor using opencv. So let us just assume we have this picture of beanbag and we have different colors beanbag in it, and let's say we want to extract this red color from this red color beanbag only without. So you always have the option of cropping, but if you go to crop this, it would be quite difficult. Using opencv this can be made really easy, given that approximately the same color is our object throughout the area of that, or a small degree of error can also be allowed. So let us just see how to do that. So we are just reading into a variable, and using colored value, we are just reading that image, and then we are just extracting out the RGB channels in three different variables of R, G and B. So this means select all the rows, select all the columns and select the last one, and feed it into the value of R. So in opencv it is of the font, the first value is B, the second value is G and the third value is R. So it is of the BGR format. So now we create a image which is completely white, but we should take care that that image should have the same dimensions as our beanbag image. So we create an image. So in this image we will put only red colors to this. So we'll using np.full, we will create a 255, means all the values of the pixel will be 255, and it would be taken as an 8-bit integer, and the image shape would be the same. So the image dot shape of 0, 1 and 2. So these are the values of 0, 1 and 2. Exactly, we need the exact dimensions of our original image. So given this dimension, we fill each and every pixel with a value of 255 so that our image is completely white. Now we traverse through each of the pixel values in our original image, and we just try to you can do this trial and error a little bit by observing what values give us the best results. So we just, in each and every pixel, we check whether these values are within our range. So we want red color. So in red color we know that the R value will be having a high and the G and B values will be having low. So but not 0 exactly, right? We cannot have that 0, otherwise it will be complete black. So red would lie in the, let's say, the latter half of our range, let's say from 125 to 256, and G value will be a bit lower, and along with that a B value would also be lower. So while traversing through each of the pixel, wherever the pixel satisfy this criteria, we are getting an approximate red color, and then we are picking up that pixel and then setting up in our required image, which is completely white. So we are filling all the three channels of our image, RGB values. We are filling all the three channels of our image with the RGB values of the original image, only in the places where it is mostly red. So we do that in order to extract this particular color. Then we create a named window, named image, and which is having a normal size. And let's say using the general stuffs, we do IM show, and as our image matrix should be as usual np dot 8-bit integer values, and wait key, as you know, unless any key is pressed, zero argument means unless any key is pressed, our windows will keep on showing, and after the key is pressed, we should destroy all the windows. So let us just run this code. So CV is not defined because I have to import this again. So every time you run the kernel, you need to import it, and then let's run this. So yeah, as you can see, we are having our complete output, which is only red colored. So yeah, that's all from this video.